Today I'm fixing this loose sun visor on my 2013 Jeep JK. But before I get into that, I wanted to share with you a video I just saw and shout out that channel, J Steele's Adventure and Variety. Check out the link in the description. If you're into bottle collecting or just romping around the woods digging up old dumps, this video is incredible. He and his buddy came across a early 1900s bottle dump, and the stuff they're pulling out of there is amazing. Check them out. But before you do, let's get into this repair. Now, to successfully complete this repair, all we have to do is carefully follow the instructions that came with the kit. To summarize, what we'll do is we'll use both hands to spread apart this plastic U-shape here and remove this metal rod. Then we're going to slide the replacement part over the rod so that we can reinsert it back into the sun visor. Congratulations, you're done now. Go check out J Steele's Adventure and Variety.